Hello students, welcome to the class 9th standard mathematics. Today we shall learn exercise 3.10, the graph. So let's go for the introduction. What is linear equation in one variable? If 6 a number is added to the number gives 10, what that number? So we can write it in algebra. We could say that is x plus 6 equal to 10. So this statement we are writing in a shorter way, and therefore here x plus 6 equal to 10. In this equation the x plus 6 equal to 10 is one variable. So here x is a only one variable, therefore it shows it is one variable, and highest power is, and the highest power of the variable is 1. So therefore we could say it is linear equation with one variable. So we can solve this equation, that is x plus 6 equal to 10, that is x equal to 10 minus 6, then x equal to 4. So this value can be plotted in the graph, that we can see it in a clear way. In this graph we shall see that here this horizontal line represents x-axis and vertical line represents y-axis. So here I am giving the input for the equation x equal to 4. Then I am getting the line which is vertical and parallel to the y-axis. So this is what we get when we plot the one variable linear equation in one variable in the graph. Now let's move to the linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. A linear equation in two variables is of the form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here a and b are real numbers but not 0. Okay, then two variables are denoted here are x and y. So what are the two variables? X and y. Here c is constant. So it is the general form of the linear equation in two variables. To solve this linear equation in two variables, we randomly choose the numbers to solve this. Okay, therefore the random numbers we need to be taken, that is from near of the margin or near of the axis y, that is -1, 0, 1, we can choose it. Now the question is, draw the graph for the following. The first question, y equal to 2x. Here the y is one of the variable and x is another variable. Now let us apply the x value for this equation randomly, that is when x equal to -1 we get y equal to 2 minus 1, then we get y equal to -2. The same way, when x equal to 0, the equation we get 2 into 0, then y equal to 0. When x equal to plus 1, then y equal to 2 ones are 2, then y equal to 2. We can go for more than 3 or 4 numbers, but to plot the straight line, because solving the linear equation of the two variable we get the straight line. So to solve and plot the straight line, this 3 points is enough. So let us plot all these points in a box. Here for the x we have given x equal to -1. So for the x -1 we have given. For the 0 and for the x we have given plus 1. Then what is the y value we get is minus 2, 0 and 2. Now let us plot these points in the graph. Therefore, points to be plotted in the graph is minus 1, comma minus 2, 0, comma 0, 1, comma 2. Now we can see the required graph, that is, draw the graph of with the x-axis and with the y-axis, that is x, x dash and y, y dash. Here the scale is taken, that is x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So therefore we can plot the numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 on the right side, positive numbers, on the left side we can plot the negative numbers. The same procedure, in the upward we can plot a positive numbers, the downward we can plot a negative numbers of y. Now we can point the number, that is minus 1 comma minus 2. Let us point out in the graph, that is minus 1 we have to look at. So this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate, we have to look at it. Now the x we can see in minus 1 lies in the left side of the x-axis, that is minus 1. Then what is minus 2? It is lies in y-axis. So therefore minus 2 lies in downward. So the meeting point of the minus 1 and minus 2 is this is. So we can write minus 1 comma minus 2. So the next point we can go, that is 0 comma 0, here x and y. So here both the points lies in the origin, that is 0 comma 0. Now the third point is 1 comma minus 2, which is x and y. So look at it in the x-axis and look at this 2 in y-axis. So here x is positive. Therefore 1, the y is also positive. Then look at it in y-axis. So 1 and 2 meets in this point, that is 1 comma 2. Now let us join these 3 points all together. Here we are getting a straight line passes through the origin. What it means? Simply we can say that solving of this linear equation of two variables in the graph, it meets the two axes, that is x-axis and y-axis. The straight line has to meet the two axes, but the one of the point lies in the origin, so this straight line passes through the origin. With this, the first subdivision gets over.